What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be replacing, well, not really replacing, just swapping the mid pipe, I guess you could call it, for our AWE track exhaust. We're converting it from the track exhaust to the touring using AWE's touring conversion kit, which is literally just, I mean, they added their 180 degree technology muffler resonator thing, and that's pretty much it. There it is. So this is the touring conversion technically, and we currently have the track, as you guys seen in the past. This is going to be a way easier process than, obviously replacing the whole exhaust. All we're going to do, basically take this part off on the track portion right now, pull it away, take the clamps off of the rear end, and pretty much just swap them out. So we're going to jack the car up and get this done hopefully within 30 minutes or so. So let's get into it. All right, so we're into the car now. All we gotta do is remove that clamp, or at least loosen it, with a 5/8 inch socket, and then those two forward bolts, the spring bolts on the flange, we need to remove those using either a 9/16 or a 14 mil. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm just gonna remove them, and I'll get back to you guys in a second on how we're going to kind of just move this back, like this portion right here. Just kind of move it back, and then remove that from there. All right, back into the car. So, got this off, or at least got it loosened, and that's able to just be pried away from the flange. Now, I think what my plan is going to be is to just kind of remove the bushing right there in some way, either push it out that way or bring it in this way, whatever way works. And then try my best to, because that's loosened, and that's spinning, like I can move it left and right. Try to maybe move that rear portion back that way a little bit, pry that out, and we'll have easier access to this. So I'm gonna see which way it works, and I'll get back to you guys in a sec. All right, so as you can see, we were able to get this off using silicone grease spray onto the exhaust hanger bushing. We just pried that away, and then we were able to let this hang down in front and just pull this away. So we're just gonna basically try the reverse with the new Touring Edition. All right, so if you guys don't know, these are the two different options that you can get with the AWE exhaust suite. So this right here is for the Track Edition. It's just a straight pipe essentially. And this one right here is the Touring Edition. Now what this is it's kind of like a resonator, maybe a muffler. It's their 180 degree technology. So what it is, I'll try to get a good view for you through here, maybe. Yeah, so basically it's still technically a straight pipe, right? But it's hard to see. One second. So right there, you see the hole right there? That goes into like the resonator muffler thing that they included, and that will cause the drone to basically be nullified entirely. So there's one at the bottom and one at the top. You might be able to see that one right there. But it just goes in there and basically stops it, pushes it back out. So there's no like filtering or anything going through the pipe itself, but it has this resonator muffler apparatus right here to help muffle the drone. So if you want louder, track exhaust. If you want a little bit more tame, touring exhaust. And that's why we're going with the touring. The track exhaust is very droney, I can confirm that. But anyways, there's the differences. Let's get on to installing the touring and get done with this job. I mean, it's taking a little bit longer for me because I'm filming and just making sure like you guys can see what's happening, but it's a very easy job. So let's finish this up. Oh yeah, and before you install your new mid pipe for the AWE exhaust, make sure to put your bushing back on to the hanger bracket. We got that on. As you guys saw, we got the hanger bushing pushed in. We're gonna adjust that a little bit after making sure that the clamp is fully on that. So we're gonna push the rear as far in as possible on this and then clamp it down, fully tighten these, and then we'll be good, man. All right, guys, so everything is tightened down now. all good to go. Like I said, it was a breeze. It probably took, or it would take about 15 minutes, I think, once you get the car jacked up. Anyways, I do have a couple things I need to adjust because the dealer with the clutch repair, they had to take off the exhaust and everything, I guess. So I think they adjusted a little bit weird, like the tips are sticking out a bit more. So I'm just gonna adjust that. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed the video, you got some use out of it, please like the video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Those are both free things. Please do it. Leave your comments in the comment section down below. And until next time, guys, I hope you have a wonderful week, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Peace.